What's up, everybody? It's the Welding Machine coming back to you guys in another video. I'm sorry for the video not having any volume. I had to pre-record a video volume, or go over it anyways, due to the fact that it had a very squealing noise, and I didn't want that to be aggravating to you guys when you're watching this video. And right now we are driving in my '85 Chevy C10 pickup truck, and yeah, I know the dash, the inside is still kind of gutted out. I'm still slowly putting everything back together, but that's besides the point. So right now what we're doing is we're driving through Lillington to register as a DBA, doing business as the Welding Machine. Alright guys, right now we're leaving the registered deeds office. That's where you go to register as a DBA. What's up, YouTube? This is the Welding Machine coming to you guys live with a video, and I wanted to say one awesome thing that just happened today. I just registered my business as an LLC.
What is that? What is that, Private Pie?
And now I'm looking forward to moving on and getting some good contracts and stuff and making everything good, and I'm legit. Now I can go ahead and get business insurance and stuff like that. So sorry if the camera's shaking. I'm in my truck driving from Raleigh, and yeah, so pretty much it's official. The Welding Machine is legal. It's an LLC. It's on, I just got the only next step is to figure out the tax, how I'm gonna get taxed and whatnot. But yeah, we illegal. I mean, we legal, boy. Welding Machine legal. Raleigh sucks. It really does. Freaking stop and go, 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 stop and go. But anyways, we legal in these streets. I mean, now I'm gonna go ahead and go with advertising. I'm working a full-time job also, so I'm doing my business part-time until I can get it up and going to where I don't need to go back to work ever again, except for my business. But yeah, 85 Chevy truck. Got the Welding Machine logo on the back. Wearing I Just Poop shirt. I got that from my mom. Thanks, Mom. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you all my subscribers. And stay tuned with the journey. I'll see you guys next time. And I got people looking at my truck. I bet you it's a Ford. Yep. God dang Ford. You can't stand those darn Fords. Let's get some road footage.